What's going on, everybody? It's Connor from up here at Nitrous Express, and today I'm back with another brand new product for you guys. Have you ever wanted a direct port nitrous system on your vehicle but didn't want to go through the hassle of bending up hard lines, drilling and tapping into your intake manifold? Well, have I got news for you. If you have a 2005 and up Hemi, you can now have a direct port system the easy way with our brand new Nitrous Express Hemi direct port plate system. This system includes jetting that will allow for you to spray anywhere from 1 to 400 horsepower, and our direct port plate systems are a huge upgrade when compared to a single nozzle or a behind the throttle body plate system. They allow for the best distribution possible by feeding an equal amount of nitrous and fuel directly into each cylinder. These plates come in at 5/8 inch thick and bolt under the intake manifold, allowing for a quick and simple installation without the need for a taller cowl-style hood. Our plates are proudly CNC machined right here in the USA from billet aluminum and then anodized in black for a sleek finish. These plate systems include direct port nitrous plates as well as lightning, nitrous, and fuel solenoids, stainless braided nitrous and fuel lines, a master arming switch, a relay and relay harness, a TPS auto learn switch so that the nitrous will only activate at wide open throttle and automatically turn off when you let your foot off of the accelerator, jetting for 1 to 400 horsepower, a fuel rail adapter, all of the necessary hardware to complete the installation, and if you choose a system with a bottle, you'll receive the new billet aluminum Lightning 500 bottle valve pre-installed on your bottle, as well as our stainless steel bottle brackets. If you have a 2005 or newer Hemi, you need nitrous, and there's not a better system to go with than the direct port plate system from here at Nitrous Express. For more information on this product, go to nitrousexpress.com or call 188-GO-FAST-1. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below for what you'd like to see next. Thank y'all for watching, and I will see y'all next time.